Alright guys, welcome back to the new video. 911 just passed by. Sounds great. Our neighbors work on Porsches. They do an amazing job. Anyways, so behind me, if you guys remember from previous video, we have a blue M4 out of state and a white M4 that's getting port injection done. So the blue M4 is getting done today, hopefully leaving tomorrow. We're currently going to be doing the XHP transmission tune and then start on the EC tune as well. It's going to be the E50 flex wheel tune. Turn on the valves. Alright, we're back at the gas station. This gas station is about like 8 minutes from our shop, which is perfect. It's a good opportunity for us to have something like that next to us. So we just put E85 from a pump. It should make it up to E30 right now. We'll go do some pulls and logs and finish the car. So as you guys saw, we just did a couple pulls. It was the road that we make pulls and stuff. It's close to traffic, just for you guys to know. It's not a like public road, anything like that. Car is pretty quick right now. It has like about E30 fuel in it. Pulls really hard. If you guys have MHD or boot mode, OTS map currently running on the car, or custom tune from someone else and not happy with the results, please feel free to reach out to us. We are super quick with the revisions. We try to get the car ready in a day or two, which is unbelievable compared to other tuners or companies. We try to get the car ready as soon as possible for you guys. So feel free to reach out to us if you're looking to get custom MHD or boot mode tunes. We support any setup like EU5 injectors, upgrades, full E85, flex fuel, built engine, hybrid turbos, like full frame, single turbos, reflect, low pressure fuel pump upgrades. We literally support any setup, and our cars runs perfectly fine, strong for years now. So yeah, please reach out to us. Do not drive your car on the OTS map. There's a lot of potential you can get out of it. I wouldn't have that additional like 50, 40 or 100 horsepower sitting on the side, you know? You need all those power, especially the custom map. It's not just about the power, it's smoother, safer tunes. In the meantime, the white one getting port injection, we're drilling the manifold right now. As you guys know, the S58 engine comes the port injection points from factory. You just have to drill it and put the injectors there. So that's what we're doing right now. Jose is working on it. And then after that, the reflex will be installed, all the wirings from the Tensility Motorsport, plug and play wiring. It's perfect product, by the way. Highly recommend getting those if you're looking to get a reflex. Do not split your OEM harnesses. It's not a good way to do it. Trust me, spending another like $1,000, $1,500 will save you a lot of time and headache. So we always recommend that to the customers. So this customer is also getting that specific plug and play harness. So the low pressure fuel pump is installed, flex fuel kit is installed already. So the only thing left is the port injection plate, injectors, and the reflex connection. After that, we're gonna be obviously doing the tuning. You guys will see on the couple of minutes. We're gonna show you guys everything on this car. Hope you guys like it.
I cannot miss it, you know?
Look at that.
Of course. You want to tell them if you like the car or not?
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Fucking love it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You like
Thank you.
Of course, man.
Shooting. Shooting.
See ya. Alright guys, Urus is done. We just did rolling shots and a couple sound clip for you guys. Car pulls great, as it's supposed to be. Everything is perfect. Runs amazing, sounds amazing. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and like the videos. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment and turn on the notifications so you will be the first one watching those videos when we upload it.